Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Gold price analysis XAU USD in no man's land awaiting a catalyst. http ntvforex.com news ID 864C2 6 minutes ago by Ross J. Berland. Gold prices have been in consolidation for some time, yet the Fed was unable to encourage a breakout. Bulls will now hope for a deceleration of both USD's recovery, COVID-19 spread and signs of inflation and lower real yields. The price of gold, XAU USD, is trading at $1,944.13 at the time of writing, having traveled some 0.8% to the downside from a high of $1,960.98 to a low of $1,932.88. Investors pulled the bid in gold when the Federal Reserve disappointed on Wednesday when it decided to not add further stimulus to spur inflation nor support the economy. Instead, the Fed left NBSP interest rates close to near zero, as expected, and adjusted its forward guidance on rates to reflect the new monetary policy strategy of flexible average inflation targeting. There were NBSP extended rate projection updates as well, which detailed the target range for the federal funds rate at the zero bound through the end of 2023. However, the main disappointment was NBSP. The forward guidance on asset purchases was only NBSP limited to a coming months. On the dovish side, though, there was an outright shift towards quantitative easing. The focus will shift away from monetary policy NBSP. There will be now some time until the Fed meets again. The next time will be in more NBSP volatile conditions during the USA election week. This makes for a treacherous path for financial markets, as it is a time that will also clash with the height of flu season. While there are hopes of a vaccine, the clash between COVID-19 and regular flu could have devastating effects on consumers, social behaviors, and jobs. NBSP with several headwinds. NBSP converging in Q4, gold could be attractive as a safe haven investment. However, bulls need NBSP a catalyst. NBSP staying bullish. NBSP analysts at TD Securities have been bullish on gold from the outset and argue the case for higher precious metals, in the absence of a spike in COVID-19. We reiterate that the yellow metal's supportive NBSP positioning. NBSP slate should keep prices from experiencing a more severe pullback. As the world continues to recover from the pandemic, rising growth will further support inflation expectations and drag real rates lower, which will ultimately support gold and silver prices as investment capital continues to flow towards the complex. NBSP gold levels. The US NBSP dollar is a coin of two sides and can be argued to both benefit NBSP from economic improvements or lose value when there are signs of recovery. In the Fed chair's presser yesterday, for instance, the mention of a faster economic recovery, with unemployment falling more quickly than forecast in June, the US dollar rallied. The currency, weighted NBSP against a basket of currencies in the DXY, is poised to run higher from a structure point of view. As illustrated in the following chart, the market has corrected a reasonable portion of the recovery rally, and should the price be supported in this area, the path of least resistance will be to the upside. If the dollar somehow manages to run higher, then gold will most probably struggle in a dollar bullish environment. NBSP, however, for the near term, there are prospects of a bullish retracement to test 1952 on the 4HR time frame structure so long as support holds. However, the price is glued to the point of control in NBSP firm consolidation with no firm bias one way or the other. Instead, there are either monthly downside targets or weekly upside targets. Weekly chart, monthly chart. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.